Hey everyone, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Looking for a simple way to grow your Shopify store? Meet Recomma Quiz Builder, the tool that helps you increase sales, capture valuable leads, understand the audience better, and give every shopper a personalized experience. Create interactive quizzes that guide customers to the perfect product and make shopping simple, fun, and personal. In this video tutorial, we will cover how to install and activate the Recomma Quiz Builder, how to create a simple product quiz. We will walk you through Recomma Quiz Builder settings and features model by model, and at the end, we will showcase the different types of quizzes you can create with an app. So, let's get started. The first step is the installation. So here we search for the Recomma Quiz Builder. Here is the app, we click on it. And here we need to click on the install button. Here you can get acquainted with the privacy policy and terms of service and click on the install button. With the next step, let's create a simple product quiz with 3 questions so you can understand how the product quiz works. And for that, we need to click on the add new quiz button here. Then name our quiz, for example, product quiz. And create quiz. Here you can see the welcome page of our quiz where we can add heading and subheading. Let's add heading first. And you can see the subheading option, and as you can see, the app provides so many different options to customize the subheading text. And also if you click here, you can write CSS or HTML codes to make the subheading more advanced and professional. Let's add a short subheading text as well. Also, you can add an image for the welcome page, you can change the button text, etc. So now let's go ahead with creating our questions, and here is our first question. Let's first write our question. What is your main health goal? And add answer options. That's it. We have 4 answer options and we have chosen single choice question type. Let's go ahead with our second question. We click add question here. We insert the question. Do you have any specific concerns? And add answer options accordingly. Again, we have used the single choice question type for this question. And then let's create our third and final question. We click add question here and choose email from the question types and write a question. That's it. Also here you can see the result page. You can provide a heading and subheading for the result page accordingly. Here you can see the result page settings as well. There are so many settings which we will discuss later on during the video for the models. For this simple quiz particularly, we will just take show add to cart button option so that the product we will attach to the answer options will be displayed at the end of the quiz. So we can go ahead with the products page. And here you can see the questions with their answer options. And here we can add products to each answer option. Let's do this quickly. That's it. We have already added products to each answer option. Also, please note that you can add more than one product for each answer option. So there is no limit to have only one product per answer. So for example, we can click here and add another product. Also, you can exclude products if you want, so that a concrete product will not be displayed for the concrete answer option. Here is one important note: when you link products to an answer, each product gets +1 point by default if selected, and if you exclude a product from an answer, it gets -1 point instead, and at the end, the quiz recommends products with the highest total score. So we are done with our product, so we can go ahead with styles and settings. Here you can see so many different options related to the styles, settings, and then styles here. You can see the themes and so many options to customize our quiz. Here you can see notifications and message variables you can use. Here you can see the integrations the app offers. And let's go ahead with the publish page. For this quiz, let's choose the button link publishing method, with the help of which the quiz will be opened when clicking on a button. So we copy the quiz ID here. Then go to the online store, themes, and then customize. Here we need to choose the button by clicking on which the quiz must be opened. We can scroll down here. And here is our button. We can click on it. And for example, we can name it. Then here we need to paste the link of our quiz, like this. After that, we need to go to the app embeds and make sure the link quiz option is enabled from the settings. Once we are done, we can save our changes. Here is our online store. We can scroll down to see our quiz. Here is the button. We click on it, and the quiz gets opened for us. We can click and start it. Fill in the email. And here is the product recommended to me. We can click on the Add to Cart button and proceed with the checkout. So these were all the quick steps to create a simple quiz with the Recomma Quiz Builder. We can go ahead with the next part of the video, which is the model-by-model discussion of the quiz features and functionalities. Now together we will do a model-based discussion of the Recomma Quiz Builder's features, and I have changed the store so I can show you a ready-made professional online store where the advanced quiz is already created, so as not to waste time on creating a new quiz together. Let's start from the first model, that is the welcome page. Welcome page is the start page for the quiz, and you can see it offers a great number of features and options. First, I have written a heading for the welcome page, find your perfect skincare routine, as the quiz is about skincare. Also here I have provided a subheading, answer a few quick questions, and we will recommend the best skincare products for your skin type and needs. So the quiz takers will know what a quiz is about before even passing it. And as you can see, the subheading input offers a great number of features and options to customize the subheading. You can change the paragraph to headings if you want. You can change the font size of the text. You can make the text or any parts of it bold, for example, like this. You can make it italic if you want. Also, you can use the source code and open the editor where you can write your desired CSS or HTML codes and display more advanced subheading for the quiz. Here you can add an image. I have already attached one. And you can see the supported image formats. You can change the layout for the image and choose the one you want, the one you desire. If you want, you can hide the image on mobile devices. You can choose the image feed, either cover, contain, or none. You can change the button text and write your desired button text. For example, let's start. If you want, you can also provide a note text for the quiz, for the welcome page. And if you don't want to have a welcome page for the quiz at all, you can just click here and hide it. So that was all about the first model, welcome page. So the next and the second model is the question setup. I have created questions with all the question types the app offers. So let's discuss each of them one by one. The first one is the question created with a single choice question type. The app offers single choice, picture choice, multiple choice, drop down, yes or no, text, phone, info screen, email, and name question types. Here I have written the question, what is your skin type? Also here you can provide a short description about the question if you want, and I have already added. Understanding your skin type will help us find the best skincare routine, etc. This is sort of a hint for the quiz taker to understand what the question is about. And here I have added answer options. Oily, dry, combination, and sensitive. You can add an answer option by clicking on the Add Choice button. And also if you want to add a new question, you just need to click on the Add Question button here. So now let's discuss the options for each question type. It is the single choice question type, with the help of which you can choose one answer option per question. And the options differ based on the question type you choose. Here you can see I have already attached an image. You can see the image formats accepted by the app. You can change the image width and choose the image fit, cover, contain, fill, or none. You can choose the image position, left, right, top, and here you can see different options you can enable. If you want, you can hide question image on mobile devices, hide background image. You can make the question required, so the quiz takers cannot skip them during the quiz. You can also enable randomized choices, so the answer options will be shuffled and displayed randomized. Here you can add other choice if you want. The users will need to provide other choice. You can align choices vertically, enable HTML formatting, and by enabling HTML formatting, you can, for example, include bold text or italic text or whatever you want in a question title, so you have more advanced view. Also, you can click and add choice description. You can see how they appear. You can just write your desired description for each answer option. And here comes the logic jump and apply point system options. With the help of the logic jump feature, you can set conditions to automatically skip to different questions based on the previous answer of the quiz taker. So for example, if you choose oily, you can go to question 4. If you choose dry, you can go to question 8, etc. And here you can see the apply point system. The apply point system feature has different use cases. You can set points to give priorities to answer options, but we will speak more in detail about the logic jump and apply point system in module 3. So if you want to get more details about these two features, just go ahead with the module 3, where we explain everything in details. So we can just close it and disable it for now. And here you can see how many choices you can have per row and for mobile as well. And here is the question ID. You can use the question ID to dynamically display the answers in later questions. Here you can see helping article. You can read about this feature. Let's go ahead with the next question type, which is picture choice. What is your main skincare concerns? And we have added 4 images here. So with picture choice question type, as you can understand, you can create questions with answer options where the answer options are images. And also, besides having an image for the answer option, you can also add a text, as you can see. Here you can apply a question image. And the settings are the same for this question type as well. This question type has another option that is different from the previous one, which is allow multiple selection. Like the quiz taker can allow more than one picture as an answer if you enable this option. You can here choose the picture mode, cover, contain, fill, or none. Picture style like circle or rectangle. You can choose the picture height for desktop and mobile devices. Also here you can choose The choices per row for mobile and desktop, and again the question ID. Here you can see how beautifully you can display your questions and answer options with the help of the app. Let's go ahead with the third question. It's again a picture choice, so we can skip. The next one is a multiple choice question type, with the help of which the quiz takers can choose more than one answer option for the question. And the settings, as you can see, are the same for the multiple choice question type. However, there are some settings which are missing due to the structure of this question type. So as you can understand, you can have different options for each question type, and you can customize the settings for each question type one by one and separately. So you don't need to apply some general settings to all questions. You can customize them one by one. The next one comes this one. How does your skin react to new skincare products? And it's again a single choice. So we can go ahead. How important is fragrance in skincare products, etc. Yeah, this is again a picture choice question type, so we can again skip it. The next one is a drop down. With the help of this question type, the answer options will appear as a drop-down, so you can choose your answer option. And here I have already applied an image, question image. I specified the width, and here you can see again the options, which are less than in case of other question types due to the again structure of this question. This question type. The next one is text. You can write a question, and the quiz taker will need to write the answer in a form of a text. And here you can see that the options are less for this question type. What is great is that you can enable HTML formatting, so we can go ahead. And the next one is the info screen question type. It's actually not a question, but a short text that is displayed between the questions to inform the quiz takers. So for example, we have decided to include this question type before collecting personal information, like we say that the test is almost done, the quiz is almost done, and there are just 3 quick personal questions are remaining to finalize your match. And after this, I have added a name question type, email question type, and also a phone number question type. Here there is one important feature I want to highlight, which you will need very much when creating quizzes. So this is the add consent checkbox, and you can tick and enable it. So the quiz takers will need to tick add consent checkbox to complete and finalize the quiz, to submit the quiz. So for example, if you have a newsletter and want the quiz takers to accept and agree to receive emails from you, you can write it here and add the URL. Also here you can tick and you can write a warning text, so the quiz takers will know that they will need to tick this consent checkbox to continue. Also, you can make it required, and we would recommend you to make it required, so the quiz takers will not skip this part. And also you can tick and add skip button for the email question type. And the next one is the phone question type, and with the help of it you can collect phone numbers of the quiz takers. And here you can see default country code option, which is specific to this question type, and with the help of it you can choose your desired country code and display it as default before the quiz takers fill in their phone numbers. So I guess that's all about the questions model, and as you can understand, you can customize the settings per question, and they are customized individually, which is a great plus when you're creating an advanced and professional quiz. So let's move forward with our next model. The next model is the logic jam and point system. Let's first discuss the logic jam feature, and then we will go ahead with the point system. we have opened one of our questions. What is your skin type? And here, by scrolling down, we can see the logic jump feature. We can tick it. And by this, you can see jump to section has been added. With the logic jump feature, you can set conditions to automatically skip to different questions based on the user's previous answers. So for example, if the user chooses oily answer option, you can redirect to the user to, for example, question 4. If the user chooses dry, you can send the user to, for example, question 7. And for the combination, you can redirect to question 5. For the sensitive, you can redirect the user to the question 9, etc. So based on the answer to the previous question, the next question will be different per user. It's a great option if you don't want the quiz takers to choose all the answer options and to fill in all the questions. So you can just provide them with the relevant questions based on their answer choices. So that was all about the logic jump feature. We can go ahead with the apply point system. We have opened any of our questions and by scrolling down, we can see the apply point system option. And by ticking this option, you can see the points have been added here. The point system in the Recomma Quiz Builder app is used in different use cases. So let's discuss all of the 3 use cases one by one. And the first use case of the point system is when you are creating a product quiz and attaching product to each answer option. Here you can see the attached products from the products page, like this. We have products attached to each answer option of the questions. So by this, each time when a product, for example this one, matches the quiz taker's answer choice, it gets plus 1 point if you have set 1 here for the points. And at the end, the product with the highest score, highest points, will be displayed for the quiz taker. For example, if you want to give higher priority for the products attached to the oily answer option, you can go here and choose, for example, 2 for the oily answer option. So it will get plus 2 points instead of plus 1. Also, there is one important part I want to mention. If you go to products and, for example, if you have excluded products for the oily answer option, like you don't want the concrete products to be displayed for this answer option, you can go here and write, for example, 5 for this points. By this, the excluded products will get minus 5 points, and of course, selected products will get 5 points. If you want to increase the chance of showing the product at the end of the quiz as a product recommendation, you can add higher points for that answer option. And also, in the same way, you can decrease the chance of showing the excluded product. So as you can understand, the process is made very easy. The next use case for the point system is related to the result pages. So we can go to the result page, scroll down, and here you can see the allow multiple result pages option. We can tick it, and it has 2 sub-options by choices and by point range. As you can understand, with the Recomma Quiz Builder, you can have more than 1 result page for the quiz. So here we can add 2 more result pages. Then let's go to our question. Here you can see the result pages have appeared here. You can see them for each answer option. You can add as many points as you want for each result page, and by assigning points to the result pages, you give them priorities. For example, you can give 5 points to this result page, then for example 3 points to the second result page, 4 points to the third result page, etc. So at the end, the result page with the highest points will be displayed to the quiz takers. So let's go back to our result page and scroll down a little bit. And here also you can see by point range sub-option. We can tick it, and this is the third use case for the point system. Here you can see the points in range. For example, you can set 0 to 10. By this, you can display the result pages based on total points. So each result page will have its range. For example, you can specify a 0 to 10 here, and for the second result page, you can have, for example, 11 to, for example, 20, etc. We can go back to our result page here. And at the end, the result page that matches the total score of the quiz taker will be displayed. So let's go to our question. So you can apply points to each answer option, and at the end, all these points will be summed up, and the result page will be displayed to the quiz takers based on the total scores and total points. For example, if you have received 5 points or 6 points, and this result page is created within the 0 to 10 range, then this result page will be displayed to you at the end of the quiz. Also, there is one more important feature to mention for the points system. You can go to the styles and settings, and here see message variables. You can see there are 2 message variables related to the points. One is user point, and the second one is maximum points. You can copy these message variables and insert them into the result page. For example, we can go here, result page, and in your desired place, you can paste your desired message variable related to the points to display them at the end of the quiz. Let me show you the example of the result page where this user point message variable is used. And here you can see a beautifully designed result page where the user points message variable is used. The 9 points is configured with the help of the user points message variable. So that was all about the logic jump and point system model. So now together we have come up to our next model, that is the result page settings configuration and setup. And we have opened the result page of our skincare quiz. Here you can see I have already configured both the heading and subheading. For subheading of the result page, you can tick here and customize it the way you want with the available options, and also you can use source code and write your desired HTML or CSS code to have more advanced subheading. For example, you can see I have used the URL here. We can close it and pass on to the discussion of the result page settings. For the subheading, you can see HTML examples for customization. It's a doc that includes ready-made HTML examples you can use. So don't forget to check this documentation if you want to build your subheading. So let's go ahead with the result page settings setup, and the first option is maximum recommended products count, with the help of which you can decide how many products maximum you want to display at the end of the quiz. Here you can tick and enable show only in stock products if you don't want to introduce out of stock products at the end of the quiz. Here you can tick and show all possible products at the end of the quiz. As you know, by default, the result page shows the product that has received the highest points, highest scale. So you can enable the show all possible products option, and by this you can display all the products that match the user's answers, and you can give more choices to choose from to the quiz takers. Here you can see shuffle products with the same points option. This option is used when, for example, multiple products have the same points, have got the same points, and you can shuffle their ordering on a result page with this option. And this helps to display a variety of products each time. Here you can enable the show add to cart button if you want the quiz takers to click on it and proceed with the checkout right after the quiz submission, and right after they get their product recommendation. Also, you can tick and enable show proceed to cart button. Here you can enable the show description from variant meta fields. By this, you can make your quiz results more personal and show product descriptions that will appear only on a result page. You can read the article and watch tutorial to learn more about variant meta fields. Here you can enable the show product description option and display descriptions under each product on a result page. You can tick and enable redirect after completion option. Redirect to custom URL, you can insert the URL here, recommended product page, or redirect to the new tab. Also, if you don't want to display products on the result page, if you don't have the use case for it, you can tick and hide products on the result page. Also, you can hide the background image on the result page. The next important feature is the discount code. You can display discount codes, coupon codes at the end of the quiz on a result page. So the quiz takers can make a purchase for the recommended products with a discount. It's a very nice feature, and also it helps to boost leads and get more leads, as there is an option to show only if email is provided, like the discount code will be displayed at the end of the quiz only if the quiz taker provides the email for the email question type. So you can generate more leads by this. You can enable and add custom button under the subheading on a result page. You can show result page link. You can change the button text. And also here you can see one more nice and advanced feature, which is add best match from collection slots. With the help of this feature, at the end, you can show the best matching products in different categories and offer more comprehensive solution for your quiz takers. Here you can see the slots we have already created, the slot for each step for moisturizer, serum, sunscreen, and eye care. I have provided a description and chosen the collection for each slot. What is great is that you can show the best products from your selected collections based on the user's answers during the quiz. So instead of showing all the matched products, you can showcase 4 slots. In this case, for the skincare quiz, for each skincare step, and this will help you guide your quiz takers better. So for this example particularly, if you are creating a skincare quiz, you can display 1 top moisturizer, 1 top serum, 1 top eye cream, and sunscreen, and all are based on the user's choices. If you want to display only slots, you can go and enable hide products on result page option. And if you want to list all matched products, you can go and enable the show all possible products option. And also from the result page settings, you can enable a you may also like section if you want. As for the allow multiple result pages, we have already discussed its settings in a model related to logic jump and point system. So you can go back and check it out. And also here you can enable add no match page option. There are some rare cases where none of the answer options match any product or result condition. This works best as a fallback if there is no match found. For this page as well, you can customize the heading, add subheading, and choose your desired options and configure them. So that was all about the result page settings. So now we have come up to our next model, which is the custom result pages offered by Recomma Quiz Builder. We are on our result page of the skincare quiz, and by scrolling down, we can see allow multiple result pages option. We can tick it, and you can see it has 2 sub options by choices and by point range. Here we can scroll up and add as many result pages as we want, and customize them based on our needs and based on our project requirements. Let's open this one, for example, as we have already configured it beautifully. Here you can have either by choices or by point range for the multiple result pages. We can go to any of our questions. For example, let's take this one. Let's just disable the logic jump, as we don't need it here. And as you can see, the result pages have appeared for each answer option. What is important when working with multiple result pages is to enable the apply point system. You can apply points to each result page one by one. For example, you can change the result page and apply any points you want for each of them. And at the end, the result page with highest points will be displayed to the quiz taker. If you choose by choices, and if we go to the result page and, for example, choose by point range, and here specify the point range, for example, from 0 to 10, then if we go back to our question, so if your total points for the questions is 5, then you will see the following result page where the points range was 0 to 10. And if we, for example, set 11 to 20 here, and if you get, for example, 15 points, then you will see the second result page, which is between this range. So with the help of the apply points and custom result pages, you can have multiple pages, and the one with the highest points will be displayed to the quiz taker at the end of the quiz. Also here you can pay attention to one important feature. We can go to styles and settings, then message variables. Here you can see two message variables available for points. This one is user point and maximum points. You can copy these message variables and insert them into the result page. For example, we can paste them anywhere here. And it will be replaced with a point the user has received at the end of the quiz. So that was all about our custom result pages model. Let's go ahead with our next model. And here comes the next model, which is the product and the overall logic behind the product. As you can see, I have already added the product to each answer option. So let's discuss how they are used actually. First, I want to mention that you can both select products and select collections, like the group of products, and you can do the same for excluding. You can both exclude products one by one, or choose to exclude collections and the group of products. So when a product is selected for the answer option, it gets 1 point by default, and if it is excluded, it loses 1 point again by default. Like the higher points the product has, the more chances it has to be included on a result page of the quiz. For example, if you have 2 points for the product A and 1 point for the product B, then the product A will be displayed at the end of the quiz. However, in some cases, you may want to assign higher points and higher priorities to certain answer options, and for that you can use the point system offered by the Recomma Quiz Builder app. Let's go to the quiz setup and choose any of our answer options and question. Here you can see the apply point system has already been active for the quiz. By this, you can assign different points to each answer option, and at the end, the answer, the product with the highest points will be displayed to the quiz takers. So as you have already understood, if you want a product or a collection to be displayed at the end of the quiz and to be recommended, you need to select them for the answer option, and you should only use the excluding products and collections when you don't want the product or collection to be recommended at the end of the quiz. To select a product, just click on the Select Product button and choose your desired product from the list and click on the Select button here. However, in some cases, you may not want to display and select products for each answer option one by one, and for that you can select collections. You can click here and select the whole collection, which includes your desired products, and the same goes for the excluding products and collections. For example, if you are working on adding products for the oily skin type, you may want to exclude products that are related to the products recommended for the dry skin. So you can exclude products recommended for dry skin, or you can group the products for the dry skin in one collection and exclude the whole collection here. Here you can see select customer tags option. We can enable it. With the help of this option, you can tag quiz takers based on their answers. And to enable this feature, you need to go to the integrations. Then connect to the Shopify customers here. As you can see, the integration is already connected and activated. You can watch the tutorial and read article on how to enable the Shopify customers integration. Then you need to go back to your quiz. Then go integrations, and here click on a create customer on quiz completion and save the changes if you want the tags to work for the quiz. So once the customer comes and passes the quiz on your Shopify store, and then the contact is being added to the Shopify customers list, you can somehow differentiate your customers and quiz takers by the tags. And then you can send them personalized email campaigns based on the tags. For example, if it is for the oily skin type, here you can select a customer tag. For example, you can write oily. Add this customer tag, and when the contact will be added to the Shopify customers list, this tag will appear there, and you can differentiate the customers who have oily skin, and then send them personalized recommendations and email campaigns with the relevant products. And also here you can see you can exclude completely. If you enable this option, then you will completely remove the products, tags, and collections from being displayed on a result page. Otherwise, if you uncheck this option, the products will just get -1 point. So that was all about the product and the logic behind them. The next model we will discuss is the general settings of the Recomma Quiz Builder app. Here we are on a general settings page, and you can see a great number of options you can customize and enable. You can change the quiz title, hide it, you can enable the quiz retake button so that the quiz takers can click on it and retake the quiz again. You can change also its position. You can enable progress bar, and what is great is that you can enable auto next option. With the help of this option, you can automatically redirect quiz takers to the next question as soon as they choose the answer option. Here you can set a questions numbering and answers numbering, show product price currency code, and sign. And you can see several options for hiding decimals, product price, and product discounted price on a result page. The next model comes for the Recomma Quiz Builder design and fonts. Here we're on the Styles tab, and by scrolling you can see different themes you can choose from. And also by scrolling you can see that you have a great number of options and settings to customize the view and appearance of your quizzes. And what is great is that there is a custom CSS option, with the help of which you can write your own CSS code and achieve your desired personal and specific styling results for the quiz. You can see you can have an animation for the quiz, and what is great is that you can choose your desired font for the quiz. And what is great is that if your desired font is missing in a list, you can contact the support team of the Recomma Quiz Builder, and they will add your desired font in just one working day, which is a great plus and a great help if you're working with a quiz. Also, what is great is that the options are grouped by sections. For example, welcome page styling with its settings, background color, quiz title color, question styling, question text color, question font size, choices styling like the answer options, choices text color, background hover color, alignments, font sizes for desktop and mobile devices. Then comes the button styling with its options, start button padding, navigation buttons padding, etc. Result page styling for desktop and mobile devices. You can also add loading icon and the custom CSS, which I have already mentioned. Then let's go to our next model, which is the email and notifications. You can see you can send an automated email to the admin by ticking this option. And here you can write notification email, like the email to which the notification email will be sent. So once someone completes the quiz, the admin will get a notification in the form of an email. Also, what is great is that you can send an email not only to the admin, but also to the quiz takers. However, this process is not managed by the notification page, but it is managed via the Klaviyo integration available in Recomma Quiz Builder. You can see it here. We will talk about the Klaviyo integration later in the integrations model, so you can check it out. Then comes the next model, which is the message variables. You will need to simply copy your desired message variable and place it to either the result page, heading or subheading, and somehow personalize the user experience. This message variable is responsible for displaying the username, and the username is being entered by the quiz taker during the quiz for the name question type. The same goes for the user email, and here you can see two message variables, user point and maximum points, which I have already used in previous models for the apply points for the point system. Also, you can check out these documentation to learn more about how to use message variables. And in case of any questions, you can always rely on the support team, which is very responsive. Now let's pass on to our next model, which is the integrations. Here you can see the list of integrations Recomma Quiz Builder offers. And the first one is Shopify customers. With the help of which you can connect your quiz with Shopify customers and automatically add quiz takers into the customers list. We have already discussed this integration before for the customer tags. Then comes the Klaviyo integration, which offers two very great features. For example, if the quiz taker has chosen the dry skin type, then you can segment the quiz taker based on the product recommendation and based on the choice of the dry skin type. And then you can send them personalized emails that are purposed for dry skin only. Besides segmenting, you can also send automated emails to the quiz takers with the Klaviyo integration, and the email will include the product recommendations. Then comes the MailChimp integration, with the help of which you can connect your quiz to MailChimp and again automate your email marketing. The same goes for the Active Campaign, which is again an email marketing tool. Then comes the Omnisend. You can connect your quiz to Omnisend and grow your email list automatically with it. With Zapier, you can connect your quiz with thousands of apps and then automate so many tasks. And the final one is Shopify Flow. You can connect your quiz with Shopify Flow and automate store tasks. For example, you can trigger actions using the quiz data and information, like, for example, quiz name, product recommendations, or quiz ID. As you can see, there are lots of video tutorials and articles for each integration, so you can check them out for more information. And if you still have any questions, you can always rely on the support team, and they are always ready to help you with any questions related to any of the quiz features and options. The next model is testing and publishing. Here we are on the publish page, and you can see a preview button. With the help of this preview button, you can test the quiz during the settings configuration to see how it looks like. We can click on a preview button and open it. Here is our quiz in a preview mode, and please note that if you pass the quiz in a preview mode, the data entered will not be saved in the submissions, and both the email notifications and integrations will not work as it's not an actual quiz but just a preview. And if you don't want to preview the quiz and you are ready to publish it, you can see 4 publishing methods to do so: inline, pop-up, external link, and button link. With the help of the inline publishing method, you can embed the quiz directly into your page or a post and make it a part of the content. Here you can see how to use this publishing method, and also you can see tutorials and how-to guides for each publishing method. So let's publish the quiz with the inline publishing method. To see how it works, we copy the quiz ID, then go to the online store, themes, and then customize. Here you can click and add a section. Then go to the apps and choose Recomma. Here you need to insert the quiz ID and then save the changes. And on our Shopify store, we can scroll down and see the quiz inserted there. Click Start and pass it. Also, you can choose the second way to publish the quiz via the inline publishing method, that is via the iframe code. All we need to do is to copy the iframe code, then go to our online store, pages. You will need to choose your desired page or a blog post. We will add a new one here. Then we need to click on the Show HTML here and paste the iframe code. Choose the visibility of the page and save the changes. And here is our quiz displayed on the page via the iframe code. The next publishing method is a pop-up. You can display the quiz in a pop-up after your desired time delay. Let's check it out how to publish the quiz in this way as well. We copy the quiz ID, then go to the online store, themes, and then customize. Then go to the app embeds and enable the pop-up quiz. Then insert the quiz ID here and choose your desired open delay in seconds. Here you can see the app offers different options to customize the pop-up quiz. As I have already mentioned, you can choose the open delay in seconds. Here you can hide a pop-up after one submission, or you can hide a pop-up after closing. You can specify the content width for mobile, and content height. And also you can change the close button color. For example, you can set this one and it will be changed accordingly. Like this. Here you can tick and hide the close button if you want, and you can show the pop-up on the selected pages if you want. If you leave this input blank, then the pop-up quiz will be displayed automatically on all your pages. If you type / here, it will display the pop-up quiz only on your home page, like this. Then, for example, if we put / write any category name, for example, collections, add / and asterisk, then the pop-up quiz will be displayed on all pages starting with this URL. Also, if there is any specific page you want to display the pop-up quiz, instead of the asterisk, just write the page name after the collections, after the category name. For example, pop-up quiz. This is the continuation of the URL. As we want to display the pop-up quiz on homepage, we will just remove it and leave the /. Once you are done, you can save the changes here. So here we will wait for 4 seconds and the pop-up quiz will appear like this. Let's go ahead with the next publishing method. The next publishing method is the external link. With the help of it, you can create a standalone page for the quiz. And the quiz will be opened in a full screen pop-up. We just need to copy this link, of course save the changes, and open the link on the browser. And here is our quiz displayed on a separate page. If you want the external publishing method to work, then go to the online store, themes, and then customize. Then go to the app embeds and make sure the link quiz option is enabled from the settings. And the last publishing method is the button link. You can choose by clicking on which button the quiz must be opened. So we copy this quiz ID, then save the changes here. Then we need to go to the online store, themes, and then customize. And here we will need to choose the button by clicking on which the quiz must be opened, for example this one. And insert the quiz link here. And save the changes. If you want the button link publishing method to work for the quiz, go to the app embeds and make sure the link quiz option is enabled from the settings. Once you are done, save the changes. So on our Shopify store, when clicking on this button, the quiz must be opened, like this. So we are done with all the 4 publishing methods of the quiz. The next model refers to analytics and submissions. Let's check them one by one. First, let's start from the analytics. The Recomma Quiz Builder offers a great analytics you can have for your quizzes. Here you can filter by all quizzes or by the given quiz, and you can filter also by the date, which is great. Here you can see engagements, completions, captured emails or funds, orders, revenue, quiz conversion funnel, device breakdown, top recommended products, and top answers, like this. As you can see, it offers a great analytics. Also, let's filter by the quiz. For example, this one. And here also you can see analytics per quiz. And also here you can filter by date. Let's also check the submissions. And here you can see the submissions. You can see the date of the submission, quiz title, the name of the quiz taker, the email, a phone number, if there is any, recommended products, user IP, user country, and other details. You can filter by quizzes. For example, choose any of the quizzes and filter by its submissions. Also, you can filter by the date. And also what is great is that you can export the submissions in the CSV file format. So you can export the submissions and keep them at your hand. Also, let's click on the view answers to see the submission details. Here you can see the questions and the provided answers. Also here you can see the result page link. You can copy it and open it. Also here we can filter by the quiz, for example like this. And here the submissions of the particular quiz are displayed. So we are done with the analytics and submissions as well. We have come up to our next model, which is translations. What is great is that the quiz buttons and terms are automatically translated and they are translated into 25 plus languages. If your store's language is supported, then the buttons will appear in that language automatically once the quiz is published. But here you must pay attention on the fact that if you are checking the quiz in a preview mode, the translation will not work there. And in that case, you can use the external link publishing method to check the translation. However, if your store language is not included or you want to change some text and adjust the translation, for example, you want to change the next button text, etc., you can easily do that by going to the translations page. You will need to click on the Add Language button here. Select your desired language. Add it, then add the word and the translation next to it. Here you can see the button and next to it you can write the translation. And here you can also see the text. Once you are done, you can save the changes. Also, if you have a multi-language store and now want to display the same quiz in two languages, for example, in English and in Spanish, you will need to create two quizzes and then make translations with your translation tools. So in case the store is in English, the quiz will be displayed in English, and in case the store is in Spanish, the quiz will be displayed in Spanish as well. So that's all about the translations. The next model we are going to discuss is the pricing. Here you can see the free, basic, and growth plans offered by the Recomma Quiz Builder. You can see the differences between the packages. For example, with the basic package, you can create unlimited quizzes, questions, 500 quiz responses per month, and with the growth, you can create 2,500 quiz responses per month. Here, the app offers a great possibility for the capped amount. So once you reach 500 quiz responses per month for the basic or 2,500 quiz responses per month for the growth packages and plans, you will be charged this amount as an extra charge until you reach $20. If you want, you can change the capped amount to $30, $40, etc. We have just done this for $20, so you will not get an invoice with a bigger amount of money. But if you like, you can change the capped amount to the amount you want. And here, of course, you can see the differences between the plans. Here you can see the differences between the free and premium plans. For example, with the growth plan, you can create custom result pages, but you can't do this with the basic plan. Also, you can create a personality quiz, scored quiz. You can show different results by points range, and also you can use the best match and slots with the growth package. However, you can't do this with the basic plan. So here you can open the pricing plans and check them out for your information. Also, you can see we have monthly and yearly payments. And a final model we're going to discuss is the live chat and help center. Here you can see 3 ways to contact our support team. The first one is the live chat, and our team is very responsive and they are always getting back to you in a few minutes and even in a few seconds. You can click here and contact the live chat. The second way is to email us. You can email us at this email address, and you can have an onboarding call. You will need to book the call. Here you can click and explore our YouTube channel, where we always publish informative YouTube video tutorials on how to create this or that kind of quiz, step-by-step video guides, tips, and tutorials. You can also join our affiliate program and share the Recomma with your friends and earn 25% monthly commission on every referral. You can click and become an affiliate. You can also click here and request a feature, as the team is always open to any new ideas and new feature requests, as the Recomma Quiz Builder team is always striving to improve the quality of the app and, of course, the user experience. And here you can find help articles on different topics. You can check them. And of course, you can find frequently asked questions, FAQ part. You can check the questions and find their answers accordingly. So this was all about the model by model discussion of the Recomma Quiz Builder app's features and functionalities. In this part of the video, let's discuss what quiz types you can create with the Recomma Quiz Builder. And the first one is a product quiz. Let's quickly pass this quiz and choose answer options like this. And here is the result page I receive. And to achieve such a result, to achieve such a product quiz, we need to go to the Recomma Quiz Builder dashboard. And here you can see I have attached the products. And also to achieve this result, I have used these slots. I have customized the result page and used the message variable username. Also, I have included a URL in the subheading. And what is the most important, I have used the slots feature. I have already discussed how to create and customize such slots. I have already introduced how to create and customize such slots in the results settings setup module, so you can check that module for more information. The next quiz type we are going to discuss is the personality quiz. With the help of it, you can understand your personality traits and character traits. There is no product attached to it, but you can also add products if you want. Let's click on the start button and start filling in the answer options. And here is the result we have received. Here is the personality type and key traits. Also here you can see retake button. Let's go to our dashboard of the Shopify store. Here is the personality quiz. And as you can see, we have multiple result pages. You can check more information about how to allow multiple result pages in the custom result pages module. I have enabled the allow multiple result pages option by choices and then configure the choices per answer option like this. I have also ticked and applied point system and have given priorities for each result page. The next quiz type is the scored quiz. Let's pass it. We choose answer options. And here is the result I have received. For this part, for the name and the scores, the message variables are responsible. So let's go to our dashboard. Here you can see the result page, and here you can see the message variables I have already configured: username, user point, and maximum point. You can take these message variables from the message variables page. And also be sure to check message variables module for more information. And the final quiz type I'm going to show you is the interval type quiz. Let's take the quiz. And here is the result I receive. Here you can see the beginner. This is my level. And also I have got some points. Let's go to the dashboard and understand what feature is responsible for this view. Here is our quiz, and you can see we have multiple result pages here. This is for the beginner level, this is for the intermediate level, and this is for the advanced level. I can receive this level, this result page, if I appear in this points range for the allow multiple result pages by point range feature. For example, if I get 0 to 10, I will get this result page. If I get 11 to 16, I will get this result page, and if I get more than 17 points, I will receive this result page. Also, you can see I have used message variables in each result page. So that was all about the Recomma Quiz Builder app and its features. Hope you liked the video, and if you find the video informative, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell for more tips and tutorials. Bye bye!